Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix frequent Wi-Fi disconnections in 2026. So if your connection keeps dropping randomly, these simple steps will help you stay online consistently. First, restart your router and the device you're using. Yeah, turn off your router for about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Restart your laptop, phone, or tablet to refresh the connection. Next, place your router in a central, elevated location away from walls and electronic interference. Poor placement often causes frequent dropouts. Make sure your router firmware is up to date. Outdated firmware can cause instability, so log into your router's admin page and check for updates. For laptops or PCs, update your Wi-Fi network drivers. Yeah, go to Device Manager on Windows, select Network Adapters, and update the Wi-Fi driver. If interference is an issue, try changing your router's Wi-Fi channel. Crowded channels in apartments or neighborhoods can cause frequent disconnections. Disconnect devices not in use and minimize heavy downloads. Too many devices or background downloads can make your connection unstable. And that's it. Following these steps should fix frequent Wi-Fi disconnections. Yeah, your connection should stay stable now. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. Hey everyone.